Hello everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-comment on Facebook groups. First, open the software and go to comment function and choose comment on post. Then set some configuration. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. Next step, choose content configuration you want to comment. You can using available content or using content made by AI, and I will choose my available content I have set already. Here you can choose allow duplicate content between accounts and allow duplicate content between actions. After that, you can choose comment configuration like comment by profile, by group engaged, by group ID, by post ID, or by Reels. Today I will guide you to comment by group ID. It means your accounts will go to the groups you want and comment on the articles in the groups. Very easy, you just need to copy the group UID list you have and paste into the software, then save it. You can set the numbers of comment you want per group ID. Finally, choose the accounts you use to comment on Facebook groups and click Start. The software will auto go to the groups you specify and comment on it for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Facebook. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.